It's NAB 2024, and we're in the South Hall, a very busy hall here at NAB, and we're on the GB Labs booth with Matt. Hi, Matt. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well. Now, Matt, I believe you're talking to people about Nebula.
We are.
So those that might not be familiar with it, let's have a quick high-level overview of where it's come from and who it's aimed at.
So right now, Nebula, first thing you should know is that we've rebranded it as Nebula NAS. We think it's a little bit more reflective of what we do. So we have a full NAS-based cloud solution for post-production in the cloud, which we're very, very excited about.
Yeah.
Now, that has been something that we've been working on for a number of years. It uses block level acceleration, and we've really made the ability to run post seamlessly in the cloud with no infrastructural hardware, seamless and easy and very easy to do for all of our clients. We can also do that with any of our hardware solutions as well. We're also able to combine them together so that if you do have multiple post-production locations throughout the world, you can actually tie them together in a way that's very seamless, very simple, and make sure that everybody's running off of the exact same files at any time through what we call a global file system, where all files are always linked together. And this system has become so robust that I've literally had some of my university students use this to shoot their capstone project in Rwanda this past February. And they did their edit on the plane ride home using 4K Blackmagic RAW footage over airplane Wi-Fi.
That's impressive.
Yes.
So the next question may be slightly obvious then. What sets the GB Labs solution apart from maybe other storage solutions on the market?
So the solution that we're offering covers a lot of things. Number one, it's scalable in the fact that it's basically infinitely expandable. We're not going to run out of space. We're able to go through and set pricing at a very, very reasonable level to the point where students to nonprofits and, other organizations that may not have, Marvel level budgets are going to be able to afford to have their entire post-production in the cloud and work seamlessly that way. We have both a metered rate and a prepaid rate for 6 months, a year, etc., where you can buy at a very reasonable level and be able to be working in a way that makes financial sense to everybody. We've also accelerated that so that you can be working on basically whatever level internet connection you have.
So Nebula is the key thing you're talking to people about at NAB.
It is. So that is our cloud solution. It's our newest offering. Yep. We absolutely are still offering all of our appliance products that we're known for. We have the entire range from nearline all the way up through SSD finishing and now NVMe finishing. And we've actually added a number of NVMe options, both in our rack mount and in our portable solutions. So you can get up to 240 terabytes in a half rack server that fits in the overhead bin, so you can do portable production. We have some notable news organizations that have dozens upon dozens of them traveling around the world at any given time, and they're quite robust, and they're allowing teams of editors to be working in effectively any codec and any frame size that's out there.
And everything you're talking about is available now?
Everything we're talking about is available today. Okay. The only thing that's going to be launching in a few weeks is going to be our archive cloud tier. Okay. So for people who have assets that they'd like to put into an extremely safe, extremely redundant cloud where they will never have to worry about it, we're going to have a much lower price tier than we're already offering, basically on the basis that they're not going to need to access it that often, but they can at a moment's notice. And that sets us apart from other people who are in that sort of price tier where you can do it, but you're going to have to wait several days, a week to get it back. You can actually touch this whenever you need it.
It's a deep archive, effectively.
Yeah, we've also made our cloud fully searchable so it can integrate with any MAM that's out there and any archive solution as well, so that you can run your proxies, you can know where your assets are at any moment, and you can access them. But again, it's full AES 256 encryption, and it is fully encrypted both in flight and at rest, so it is extremely safe. We've done a lot of work to protect our IP owners and yet make the product extremely intuitive and extremely easy for people to use.
Matt, thank you very much indeed. Where can people find out more information if they're not at NAB?
Well, if you're not at NAB, you can always call us, but we recommend that you go to gblabs.com. That is the best place to find us and the best place to start a conversation with us.
Thank you very much indeed. Do check out the website, and for everything else we're doing at NAB, it's at kitplus.com.
Thank you so much.